Good afternoon, everybody. 12:39 Pacific Standard Time, 8/14 of 2019. I have a weekly Philadelphia SOX Index. This is the chip sector, and the chip sector is in bear market territory. What about? Let's see. 2 out of 3 stocks in the sector are in bear market territory. We can clearly see where we had made these lows before and we had these rallies, and we did. I just want to tell the biggest thing about it was that when we got these rallies that came straight up here just like this, because it did, and then it broke below this trend line right here coming off of these lows here. And right now, the chip sector is a perfect barometer of the economy. If the chip sector always leads rallies, but it also leads them down. And it also is telling us a lot about the chip sector as far as the fundamentals go, outside of the chart parameter. So you have a lot of chip stocks in there that have been the leadership always in the last 10 years. They have their corrections, just like we did back over here. And they managed to get it back up. They got it torpedoed down. We've come up. We made that last high right here. You can see that these are weekly candles. You can see that it's a major support level here. If it breaks it down to 1370, let's say 1370 will be that support level. If we break that, well, then it goes a lot lower. There's a lot left behind here, and with an inverted yield curve, and still have problems with China no matter what. CapEx spending is going to come down when we get into these kind of environments. And we will just say one thing. It's one of the most important sectors. Financials is another, but these are totally broken down in bear market territory in individual stocks that trade within the SOX Index. And we're showing a weekly on it because it's extremely important to understand that. And so we know all the stocks that trade in it. NVIDIA, you've got Lam Research, you got a lot of great names in there that make great moves, but they're totally, at this point in time, there's a lot of them in what we officially, mathematically call bear market correction. And this is the SOX Index, and it continues to go lower on a weekly level. And this is why this, when we were way back over here on 8/21 of 2017, we broke out, and every time we broke out, we did come back, and we really broke out right here when everything was still not recognizable with China and a whole bunch of other people. And then you torpedoed down here. And we made a low there on 5/28 at 1286. So, weekly support level, we are broken down in this weekly chart on the SOX. You better stay tuned, and you better learn how to understand why this particular index and the chip stocks are very, very important as in relation to the economy, U.S. economy. And then we have problems with China still and whatnot. Red alert, red alert, red alert.